product of 5p upon 6 minus 4 and 6p upon 7 minus 7 is, means you have to multiply these two. Now how to multiply? 5p upon 6 minus 4 into 6p upon 7 minus 7. Now separate one bracket, either this or this. Always it's easier to separate first bracket. So 5p upon 6 into this bracket as it is, then minus 4 into this now, minus 4 into 6p upon 7 minus 7. Now solve this. 5 6 are, open this bracket, 5 6 are 30. Now here many things get cancelled, 6 6. So 5 into p is p square upon 7 minus 7 5 is 35p upon 6. Okay, now this bracket is done. Now this bracket minus 4 into 6, so minus 24p, right? Minus into plus minus upon 7, and this 7 for the 28, minus into minus plus. Okay, now solve this. Whatever can be solved. 5p square upon 7. Is there any term of p square? No. Keep it as it is then. Now this you have to solve. Now while solving this p and p, always put this in bracket because it's easier to solve, otherwise you will find it difficult how to adjust this minus signs in between. So minus into, in bracket, 35p upon 6 plus 24p by 7. Why this plus? See here, minus into plus is minus, minus into this plus is again minus. So you have put it in bracket, and outside is minus. That's why you have to put it over plus over here. Okay. So 24p by 7, and this 28 as it is. Is there any other term without any p? No. So keep this as it is. Now you have to focus only on this. So 5p square upon 7 minus, solve this. LCM of 7 and 6 is 42. 6 7s are, so 35 into 7, 245. You will have to do it yourself. It's very tough, but you will have to multiply it. Okay. Then 7 6 are, and then 24 6 are. 24 6 are means 12 12 are, 144, right? So plus 28. Again solve this. 5p square upon 7 as it is. This minus as it is. Add these. You get 389p upon 42 plus 28. Okay. Now no need of solving this into a mixed fraction.